In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Pinterest mobile videos in Gallery. First, grab your phone and open the Pinterest app. Make sure you're signed in and connected to a reliable internet network so the video loads smoothly. We'll be working right inside the Pinterest mobile app to grab the link we need. Next, head to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. This takes you to everything you've saved. From here, you can locate the video in two simple ways. If you know which collection it's in, switch to the Boards tab and open the board that contains the pin. If you prefer to see everything at once, switch to the Pins tab to view your individual saves. Either way works. Just navigate to where the video pin is stored. Now, open the specific video you want to download so it's playing or visible on its pin page. Once you're on that pin, look for the three dots menu, usually in a corner of the screen, and tap it. In that menu, choose Copy Link. This puts the video's URL on your clipboard so we can use it outside the app. With the link copied, open your mobile browser and go to a trusted Pinterest video downloader site, such as pinsavepro.com. We're using a web tool here because the Pinterest app doesn't offer a built-in download button for videos. Keep in mind that these tools can change over time, so use one you're comfortable with, avoid pop-ups, and never enter personal information. Only download content you have permission to save, and always respect the creator's rights and the platform's terms. On the downloader page, you'll see a field where you can paste the link. Tap the field, paste the URL you copied from Pinterest, and then tap the button to process or download. After a moment, the site should present a download option, often labeled download or save, sometimes with a choice of quality. Pick your preferred option and confirm the download. Your phone may ask for permission to save files. Allow it so the video can be stored locally. The video will typically go into your Downloads folder and then appear in your Gallery or Photos app, depending on your device settings. If the file doesn't show up immediately, give it a few seconds to index or check your Downloads folder directly. If a particular link doesn't work, try refreshing the page or using another reputable downloader. And remember, not every pin type is supported. Ads or certain formats may not be downloadable. That's it. Your Pinterest video is now saved to your phone's gallery.